I want to go ahead and share with you this product. Just want to go ahead and share with you that sometimes when you're on a scooter and you have to get up to go to the bathroom, you might need a cane to get from your scooter to the bathroom. So if you look there on the scooter, where possibly could you put a cane? So just want to go ahead and show you that this seat right here can come out, and then I just want to show you that there's like a little receiver back here that you can put all kinds of things in this receiver. So I want to go ahead and show you today that you can actually put a cane holder in here. I'll have the links to all things that you can install in this receiver here. So I went ahead and got this. It's got a nice carter pin here, and then this is what you put back in the receiver in the back, and then you got this cylinder that you can go ahead and put a cane in there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you putting this in. So right here is the receiver, and we're going to go ahead and put that in there, and with your carter pin. And there you go. It's all set. This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. And if you want to find the truth, that is where you look. There are so many lies in this world, but we will only tell you the truth here. The evil one is after you, and we here at Jedis for Jesus want to make sure you have a one-way ticket to paradise. Now I'm going to show you how it looks with the cane in there. We just go ahead and drop the cane in there. I will show you another cane holder in this video. Even with the large foot right there, it still fits in there. So there you go. Nice cane holder. Whether you like this cane holder or the other cane holder, it would be your choice on what exactly you want to do. But something like this, it's just quicker to get the cane out, so you would be able to, if there was an animal or something, a dog or something like that, and you wanted to use the cane to scare the animal away, then you can just reach over and grab the cane. It's in here fairly secure. It will move with the chair. It's a nice accessory to your Pride mobility scooter. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the cane and crutch holder next. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. It goes on the back of a scooter, and this is so you can put your cane. It's got the top part right there, the bottom part to put your cane in right there, or some crutches. And I'll go ahead and show you how you put it on the scooter. Nice carter pin right there. So let me go ahead and show you. So we go ahead and just put it in there like that. You don't have to remove this every time. You can leave the cane holder attached. And there you have it. It's attached down there. And that's what it looks like. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you to put a cane in there. And like I said, you could go ahead and put crutches in there also. So you got yourself a nice cane. You go ahead and take off the Velcro. And then you go ahead and put your cane down there. And squeeze it in. Put the Velcro around like that. And there you go. You got a nice cane holder or a crutch holder. Now I'm gonna go ahead and share all the accessories that you could put into that receiver. You can go to our Amazon storefront and see all these products on there. You can see the oxygen cylinder tank, the sunshade canopy for the scooter, a few baskets. You can get rear view mirrors. You can even get a trailer for your electric scooter. They got some bags you can get on the back of your chair if you don't want a basket. There's another trailer. They have many bags that you can put behind the seat. And they even have one that has a combination and it locks. I'll just go ahead and point out a couple of more things on here. They also have a accessory that you can put on that hitch, and then you can add a lot of different accessories to that.
With the multi-accessory holder by the Scooter Accessories, mix and match which accessories you carry with you. Whether it's a basket, crutch holder, cane holder, or oxygen tank holder, the multi-accessory holder can hold up to 4 accessories at once. Regain your mobility independence with the multi-accessory holder.
If you have trouble walking, buy a scooter and get all these accessories to just make your life a lot simpler. Jedis for Jesus is here to help people like you. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.